Someone is certainly good, but he's not ready yet. Golgotha or Black Maria, no matter. As of today, these are words' most famous words. Russian warship, go fuck, so much better. The voice in the tube is muffled and soft. Mom, I got documents, head, see you later. My daughter's asleep on the subway floor tonight. Russian warship, go fuck, everyone's hater. If you do really want for your land something good, well, the soil is all ready. Take the grains so that they'll germinate. But all the warships go fuck, and for sure, not maybe. Here at the Kyiv, Chechen, Belarusian, Kazakh, here they believe Cthulhu, Buddha, Christ, LA. We will paint frescoes on our new mental canvas. Always warships go fuck, and forever. This bloody empire needs all it can get. It was too long, but never say never. And don't blame my great-grandson when meeting yours. Hey, are you Russian? Then fuck you, whatever.
Корабль, иди нахуй.